All growth begins with light. Light is the most fundamental energy nature gives to the world. At Bainuo, we ensure this energy is not only seen, it is transformed, cherished, and carried forward. We make low-carbon manufacturing the norm. Photovoltaic energy powers every stage of the process. From facility operations to daily commuting to the rigorous testing conducted in our laboratories. Intelligent digital systems operate with precision while automated production lines work efficiently in coordination. At Bainuo, we safeguard women's health, nature, and the future in a sustainable way. Our commitment to sustainability begins with our respect for nature. At Bainuo, we advocate a philosophy of natural, healthy, and high-quality feminine care. Guided by the cradle-to-cradle design principle, we continuously develop natural, organic, and biodegradable products, protecting the environment in a more responsible way. When a product has fulfilled its purpose, it can return to nature, forming a complete and positive ecological cycle. For more than 2 decades, Bainuo has built a global presence across all 7 continents, building an extensive network of business and partnerships across diverse regions. Every product is thoughtfully designed with respect for local cultures, lifestyles, and standards, naturally integrating into the daily lives of different communities. Through this, trust transcends geographical boundaries and connects the world. We turn our commitments into action with efficiency. From packaging design and video production to brand communication and market execution, Bainuo takes part in every critical stage. With one-to-one dedicated service, designs are completed within 3 days, first orders delivered within 15 days, 24-hour online support provided, video shooting and editing are completed within 2 days. We deliver more than products. We deliver efficient solutions that stand the test of the market, bringing every client and consumer around the world a precise, professional, and reliable service experience. At Bainuo, people come first. Safety, respect, and growth are the fundamental guarantees for every employee. Through every act of care in daily life and every commitment to health and well-being, our employees are empowered to focus on their work with confidence. In return, a stable and professional team becomes the cornerstone of Bainuo's ability to create lasting value. We keep moving forward, driven by green principles that transform manufacturing. With professionalism and meticulous attention to detail, we create greater value for women's health, for a low-carbon future, and for the advancement of our industry. Bainuo, we look forward to creating a more valuable tomorrow with you.